You search, if you click on that search there and just hold your finger down and just nope, never mind, I'm just going to go back. Don't do that. Okay, do it again. So pretend you're back at the main screen. So I'm going to click on the phone exactly where it had it before, and if you go to your contacts, should have some contacts in there. It hasn't. I'll put them in. Okay, we'll come back to that. I'll do the text fix first. Okay, so that's how you make a phone call. To receive one, so pretend it's on a blank screen there. I'll just see if I can phone you off another phone. No. Got 10,000 phones for this demo. So if somebody phones you, see if this works. Oh, it's not your number, it's your old one. Right, okay, give me a minute and I'll do it again. So if you want to send it to somebody else, get the messages up, and can't even remember how to do it myself. So hang on. So in the search contacts, oh dear me, I don't know how you're going to do this one, hang on. So the third button in there, it's also the green one. So your first green one is your phone call, the third green one is your WhatsApp. So it's installed for you. All you do is click on it, and if you slide across the top, no, you don't need to slide across the top, so you won't be able to see it, but if I just point more or less, nope, that's failed. You'll be able to see it anyway when you're having a look.